need emerges from 21st century challenges for learners. Learners in the 21st century education are expected to have challenges regarding problem identification and solving skills, development of an appreciation of some of the social challenges, ethically driven behavior and performance, good understanding of global and ecological changes, good citizenship, content mastery, ability to work in groups, adequate use of technology, mental well-being, quality education. Why service learning? Service learning, SL, is widely defined as a form of experiential education that integrates meaningful community service into the curriculum. Versatile instructional strategy across different subjects and different grades. SL contains two main elements: engagement within the community, service, and reflection on that engagement, learning. Setting the context, need and importance. To enable students to address the challenges of 21st century like technological challenges, disasters, new context. To contribute to the betterment of the community. To produce holistic individuals who are not only knowledgeable but possess high moral standards. To enable students to acquire the knowledge, skills, and attitude to face the advent of 21st century. To incorporate topics that depict real-life situations. The experiential learning offers learners have direct touch with the realities being studied. In view of the experiential theory, learners construct knowledge from their socio-cultural environment. To enable learners to acquire CTS to understand the problem and develop the solution, and CPS to apply the solution during the course of service learning. Clearly define the critical thinking and problem-solving skills that students are expected to acquire through the service learning experience. Align these objectives with the course objectives and curriculum. Integrate the service learning project into the course curriculum by establishing explicit connections between the project and the course's learning objectives. Select the community service activity. Choose a project that addresses a genuine community need, is age appropriate, and provides students with opportunities to practice critical thinking and collaborative problem solving. Establish community partnerships. Collaborate with community organizations to ensure that the selected project addresses real needs and fosters a sense of shared ownership among students and the community. Working on practical issues at a community level in a participatory way between researchers and local practitioners. Prepare students for encounters. Conduct orientation sessions to educate students on the community, its requirements, and the project's goals. Instruct essential collaboration, communication, and problem-solving skills. Encourage students to reflect on their service learning experiences, the skills they've acquired, and how their understanding of community issues has changed as a result. Assess the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills through self, peer, and instructor evaluations. Provide ongoing support and supervision. Ensure that students receive adequate support, guidance, and feedback from educators and community collaborators throughout the duration of the service learning project. Promote cooperation and collaboration by fostering an environment where students can work together to solve problems, generate ideas, and develop solutions. Encourage students to relate their service learning experiences to other academic disciplines. Collect feedback from students, community partners, and educators in order to assess the efficacy of the service learning experience and enhance the program. Utilize this feedback to make necessary adjustments and enhancements to the program. Recognize and celebrate the achievements of students, community partners, and educators, and share the results. Share the results of the service learning project with the larger community to generate support for future endeavors. Advantages of SL. Deep engagement in local community, gaining practical skills, engaged citizenship, awareness of communities, awareness of capacity to serve, awareness of cultural differences, habit of giving and performing service, more job skills, decision-making skills, opportunity for personal growth on how to think and act, passion, empathy and ethical education, boost self-esteem. Thus, service learning experiences can be organized to meet 21st century challenges. SL is any helping activity examples. Health and wellness, environmental focus, safety, inclusion, literacy, art and creativity, sports, technology. SL activities. Direct service, tutoring, serving meals, helping patients, refugees, prisoners and their families, vulnerable, fostering animals, psychology and education, community garden. Indirect service, fundraising, working resale shop, planting trees, ENV, studies social sci. Advocacy, campaign, letters to government. Demo, policy education, policy reforms, legal literacy, political literacy. Learner testimony. I learned that you don't need much to be happy and contented. I realized the importance of a loving, safe and stable home coupled with education to make a difference in the lives of abused and abandoned children. This service internship provided me with the opportunity to share my knowledge and communication skills with those who need it. Interning at NGO gave me much needed insights into social work and conservation. I was also exposed to a variety of new concepts and ideas which I seek to integrate into my daily life. It was an extremely enriching experience which has provided me with many invaluable takeaways. Call for action. Such collaborative problem-solving skills develops multiple skills including critical thinking skills, soft skills and also provides training opportunities for employments. It also helps to solve the problem of underprivileged and underdeveloped people. It makes the learner more responsible, mature and enables fast learners' growth at fast pace. It is useful in things that affect us in our everyday life and prepares the learners for a complex 21st century. Thank you.